Hey everyone! Today we're talking about money, specifically about something we all love to receive, the tax refund. You've put in the work by diligently filing all those forms, and now comes the waiting game. The big question on everyone's mind is, where's my refund? For many, tax refunds are more than just a nice bonus. They can be a lifeline. Whether it's used to cover bills, pay down debt, or put a little extra in your savings account, that check can mean a lot. But when can you expect to see that refund hit your bank account? Well, that's what we're diving into today, the 2025 tax refund schedule. If you're like most people, you're eagerly awaiting that direct deposit, but when will it actually show up? Let's break it down and give you the details you need to know. Understanding the IRS timeline. When you file your tax return, the IRS has a very specific process for issuing refunds. While the IRS maintains that most refunds are issued within 21 days for those who file electronically, the timeline can be different for paper filers. If you submit a paper return, it could take up to 4 weeks or even longer depending on various factors. In 2025, if you file electronically and choose direct deposit, you could see your money much quicker than if you submit a paper return. The general rule of thumb is that the sooner you file, the sooner you'll get your refund. But, of course, that's assuming no issues pop up along the way. What if you filed early? If you're one of the early birds who files your tax return before the end of January, you could get your refund as soon as February 7th, 2025. If you filed by January 27th and opted for direct deposit, you might just be among the lucky ones to get that deposit early. But not everyone will be so lucky, especially if you're claiming tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, or the Additional Child Tax Credit, ACTC. In 2025, taxpayers claiming these credits can expect refunds to be issued around March 3rd. This is especially important for those who are eagerly awaiting that extra boost from these credits, which can significantly affect the amount of their refund. IRS tools to keep you informed. Wondering where your refund is in the process? There's a tool for that. The IRS's Where's My Refund tool allows taxpayers to check the status of their refund. If you filed electronically, you can get an update within 24 hours of submitting your return. But if you filed a paper return, you might have to wait up to 4 weeks for the same information. The tool provides real-time updates on the status of your refund, including when the IRS receives your return, approves it, and finally sends out your refund. This can be incredibly useful in planning for when you can expect that refund to arrive in your bank account, giving you the insight you need to make informed financial decisions. Keep in mind the other factors. It's not just about how quickly you file. There are other factors that can influence when you get your refund. Financial institutions' processing times can impact how quickly your refund is deposited into your bank account. Federal and local holidays can also delay the process, so it's important to take these into account when planning your finances. One common frustration for taxpayers is not having enough information on when exactly they can expect their refund. Using tools like the Where's My Refund tool can help alleviate some of that uncertainty, giving you peace of mind that your money is on its way. The best way to plan for your refund. Planning ahead is crucial, especially when it comes to managing finances around tax refund time. By staying on top of the expected dates and using the available tools to track your refund, you can make smarter financial decisions, whether it's budgeting for upcoming expenses or making sure you have enough funds to cover an unexpected bill. Having a clear idea of when your refund will arrive gives you a leg up in financial planning. Don't forget about tax credits. If you're one of the many who qualify for tax credits like the Earned Income Tax Credit or the Additional Child Tax Credit, make sure you file early, as these credits can delay the timing of your refund. The IRS holds off issuing refunds for those claiming these credits until mid-February to help prevent fraud, so if you're in this category, be prepared to wait a little longer. The good news is by mid-March, you'll be seeing those refunds hitting your bank account just in time for spring. Final thoughts on the 2025 refund schedule. The 2025 tax refund schedule is pretty straightforward, but there are always variables to consider. That the sooner you file, the faster you'll likely get your refund. But with paper returns taking longer to process and the occasional delay due to holidays or other factors, it's important to be patient. Use the IRS tools at your disposal, check the dates, and stay informed to make sure you're prepared when that refund finally lands. Whether you're counting on it to pay off some bills, fund a vacation, or simply stash away for a rainy day, the 2025 tax refund schedule provides a solid timeline for when you can expect to see your refund. Keep an eye on it, plan ahead, and stay informed. The last thing anyone wants is to be left in the dark, especially when it comes to money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to share this with others who might need the information, and subscribe for more updates and financial tips. Thanks for watching, and here's to getting that refund as soon as possible.